Hello everyone, this is Revathi working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Engineering. In my today lecture series, we are going to see about a transmission control protocol is nothing but TCP, which is comes under transport layer protocols. Let's move on to the topic. Transmission control protocol is nothing but a connection oriented under the reliable protocol. Then the TCP explicitly defines the connection establishment and data transfer and the connection termination phases to provide a connection oriented services. Then here the TCP uses a combination of GBN and SR protocols to provide more reliability. Then, to achieve this goal, TCP uses checksum for error detection and the retransmission of lost of or corrupted packets, cumulative and selective acknowledgements, and timer. Here, next one is the TCP services. TCP provides a process-to-process communication. Then using port numbers. Then stream delivery services. TCP, unlike UDP, is a stream-oriented protocol. Then TCP allows the sending process to deliver data as a stream of bytes, allows the receiving process to obtain the data as a stream of bytes. The sending process produces the stream and the receiving process consumes it. It uses sending buffers and receiving buffers for this purpose. Actually, the sender uses sending buffer and the receiver uses receiving buffer. This diagram will explain this process. Here, the sending process will be done by the TCP, and also the receiving process will be done by the TCP, and it will transmit a stream of bytes to the receiver. It will receive the message in the format of bytes. The next one is full duplex communication. That TCP offers full duplex services where data can flow in both directions at the same time. Then multiplexing and demultiplexing. TCP performs the multiplexing at the center and the demultiplexing at the receiver side. We all know that. In connection oriented service, the two TCPs establish a logical connection between them and the data are exchanged in both directions, and that after transmitting all the data, the connection will be terminated. This will be called as three-way handshake of TCP. This is the special characteristics of the TCP. Then the reliable service, the TCP is a reliable transport protocol. It uses an acknowledgement mechanism to check the safe and sound arrival of data. Whether the sending data by the sender will be received by the particular receiver or not, it will be guaranteed for that connection. Then this describes the TCP segment architecture. The segment consists of header of 20 to 60 bytes followed by data from the application program. The header is 20 bytes if there are no options and up to 60 bytes if it contains options. First field is source port number. It consists of 16 bit of length. Another one is destination port address. It is also contains 16 bits of length. Next sequence number, it contains 32 bits of length. Then acknowledgement number, it consists of 32 bits of length. Then another next field is header length, that means HLN. It consists of 4 bits of length. Then the reserved bit is reserved for the future use of data transmission, that consists of 6 bits of length. Then here 6 field are used for the urgency of data. URG is nothing but urgent data. If the center receives any urgent data, it will be processed first. This 6 feet are called as flags. Then ACK, as ACK means acknowledgement. Then PSH means push. Then RST means reset. SYNS synchronization, then FINS, finish. It consists of true and false values. True means that field is enabled, then that is denoted as 1. False means that field is disabled, that is denoted as 0. The next one field is window size. It consists of 16 bits of lane. Next one is checksum. Checksum is also consists of 16 bits of lane. The next urgent pointer. Urgent pointer is set when the URG flag is set to 1. It also consists of 16 bits of lane. Next one is options and padding. It is the original data sent by the center. These 6 flags are explained in this slide. Next, we move on to the TCP connection. Actually, the connection management of TCP consists of 3 steps. First one is connection establishment. Second one is data transport. Then third one is connection termination. Connection establishment. Connection establishment means TCP transmits data in full duplex format. It is also called as three-way handshake. This example will explain about three-way handshake. This is explained about Windows in TCP. In next PPT, we will see about TCP flow control, error control, and the congestion control. Thank you.